Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to give you 5 exercises that are going to help you get a better and a stronger push-up. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Andrea and this is Pilates for the People. Woo! I am a Pilates instructor and I'm an exercise educator. Let's get moving. So for the first exercise, you're going to be on your hands and knees. Knees are going to be aligned with your hips and your hands are going to be aligned with your shoulders. Hang your head down and keep your elbows straight. Turn the insides, the elbow creases, or the eyes of your elbows in to face each other. Back is flat. From here, sink your breastbone towards the floor and let your shoulder blades come towards each other. And then push against the floor, widen your shoulder blades apart, and then again, sink down so your shoulder blades come together. That's the exercise. The shoulder blades come together and apart, keeping your arms straight, keeping your head hanging. You can think about that, see if you can think about that little area of your spine that lives between your shoulder blades and it moving up and down as you do this. The shoulder blades go on top of the spine as you sink, and then that spine puffs up in between the shoulder blades as they come apart. You could try exhaling as you sink together. Inhale as the blades come apart. Exhale to sink together. Inhale to come apart. Exhale to sink together and inhale apart. And then come all the way up. The next exercise, I want you to turn the points of your elbows so they face back behind you. You're gonna hug your arms in towards your body. Shift your weight back a little so you've actually got less weight on your hands and more weight on your legs. And you're gonna do like a bowing motion forward. Bring your forehead towards the floor, it can touch, and then come all the way up. The key here is I want you to keep your elbows tucked into your body, hinge forward, forehead comes down, and then come all the way up. You're going to exhale as you come down, and inhale as you come up, and exhale as you come down. So with this exercise, I want you to do basically as many as you can to the point where you feel quite a bit of work and you don't really want to do any more. The third exercise, we're going to get our arms into what I'd call a diamond position. Your hands make sort of this diamond shape here and your elbows splay wide. So again, same position here. On your hands and knees, your fingers are going to splay in towards one another and your points of your elbows are actually going to angle, they're going to angle up and out a little bit. This time you're going to put more weight on your hands, so you're going to lean more on the hands. As you come down, again, it's a sort of bowing motion and then push up. You're going to do this bowing motion. Yep. Can you try to evenly distribute the weight across your whole hand? But putting a tiny bit more emphasis on the thumb side of the hand. So again, you're gonna do any number of these that make sense for you. And essentially you wanna do as many as you can to the point where you feel like you can't really or you don't really wanna do any more. It's like if you do any more, you're gonna start to feel it somewhere else, somewhere not so nice. Okay, so that was 4. That was 3. The fourth one, you're going to come on to your hip onto one side, bring your hand down on the mat, and this is in Pilates, this is called the side lift. You might know it as like a side bridge or a side plank. So I want you to reach your hand really far away from your shoulder, and you're going to take your top leg and you're going to put it in front of your bottom leg. These knees are bent, but they're on the long side, so you're not crunched up. You're kind of stretched out here. And the key is you want your hand reaching farther, reaching away from your body here, because when we go up into the side lift, our shoulder should land about over our wrist here. Yeah, and then come on down, and we'll do 3 of them. Exhale to lift up, and inhale to come down.
Exhale to lift up. Oh, we lost our light here. Inhale to come down. You're gonna swing your legs around. Place, again, your hand away from your body. The top foot is in front of the bottom leg. And your knees are bent, but they're kind of long. So press into your feet and your hand and lift up and lower down. Again, press down. Exhale to lift up. Yeah, and this works all the muscles down the side of your body, and it works your shoulders too. It creates stability in the shoulders, which is very important for push-up. The last one here, it's actually very similar to the side lift. You're gonna go back to the first side. So hand away from shoulder, legs kind of long but bent, top foot in front of the bottom. We're gonna go up into that side lift and hold. Here we go. You're gonna pike your hips up and back. You're gonna take that top arm and reach towards the back foot. Push your hand against the floor. Push your body away from your hand. And then come back. I'd say 1 to 3 of these is enough. I'm gonna do 2. Come all the way back. Come all the way down. Flip around, last side. Usually one side is gonna be a lot more challenging for this style of exercise. Okay, so nice and long on the mat, come up into your side lift. Shoulders gonna be approximately over the wrist to start. Pike your hips up and back, reach for that back foot. Come back. Exhale as you pike up, 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 and come all the way back. And then come all the way down. There you go. Okay, so 5 exercises that are gonna help you build muscles that you need to do a better and stronger push-up. If you liked this video, you'll probably also like this one and maybe this one too. As always, please like this video, subscribe so I can see you again.